Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to trade in your Coinbase wallet. So it's going to be a trading tutorial, but it's really simple actually. So you're here in your own actual Coinbase wallet. First thing you'll have to do is have assets in your wallet. So here you are going to check out the swaps. So there's going to be a swap button basically right here. So you can also go with Uniswap or Jupiter or Radium for Solana to trade your coins. So here there are already such suggested right here. So let's just say you want to actually swap. Let's find one right here. So we have Brett. There you go. So Brett, you will be able to swap it right here, and it's basically trading already. So you will have to choose from asset right here, which is gonna be your assets in your wallet. It's gonna depend on what assets you have, and there you go. So it's gonna be able to trade it into Brett on the base network. So it's gonna basically link it or just actually bridge it into a one network if you're using another network, and then there you go. So let's just say you have 200, you will want to buy Brett right here on base. So you can also choose assets right here from others like BNB, Avalanche, and OPNet, and others. So let's just say you want Ethereum, for example. So you have USDC right here. So let's just say you want to choose an asset and you want to stable it, you want to turn it into USDC, you can do that also. But you'll have to have crypto in your own actual wallet first before you can trade. By pressing receive, you can get them right here. Scanning the QR code has never been easier right here so that you won't get phished or scammed basically. So you can scan the QR code so that you'll be able to seamlessly just transfer your own actual funds. So there you go guys, that is how you trade crypto in your Coinbase wallet. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.